Hi paper crafters, I'm Joanne Rogers, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Central Alberta, Canada, and I've been designing with you in mind since 1999. Would you love a class to show you exactly how to make a super sweet gift for somebody? This one features 4 gorgeous pocket fold cards and the lovely wraparound decorated holder that they go in. It makes a complete gift all in one, and you don't even have to wrap it. So what's the best part about this class? You use supplies that you already have on hand. I'll bet you've been collecting some stamps, paper especially, maybe some ribbons, and this is the way that you get to use them. You can always grab the same supplies as me, of course. I have a PDF with all of the measurements and everything that I use to make it super easy. But if you use what you have on hand, it gives you such a sense of satisfaction, and you can make an almost endless variety of different cards with this exact template. There's so many wonderful ways that you can make this class your own. You'll be making gifts for everybody that you know. So why not click the Get It Now button and let's get started.